Keep it hardcore. Oh yes, review time, baby. What do we got today? Something that I found at Target. This is from the company called Small Batch. This is the Honey Chipotle Tender Style Pork Cracklin. Oh yeah. 80 calories times 8. Total fat 6 grams times 8. 0 trans fat. 10 milligrams of cholesterol times 8. 220 milligrams of sodium times 8. Total carbohydrates less than 1 gram times 8. Protein is 7 grams times 8. Gluten-free. Recipe number 82. Basically, these are pork skins, but the name is going to be Southern Recipe Small Batch. Alright, this is the Honey Chipotle Natural Smoke Flavor Added Tender Style Pork Cracklins. Fried out of pork fat with attached skin. This is a 4-ounce bag. I believe they make a bigger size of this flavor in a bigger bag, but I just saw this one, so I grabbed this one. So I'm not sure if this is a new brand. I've just never really paid attention or seen it before. This is a company based out of Ohio. It says gluten-free, less than 1 gram total carbohydrates per serving, cooked in sunflower oil. Alright, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's open this bad boy up. Has that traditional pork skin scent. And they average about this type of size right here, kind of like a little tiny nugget. Looks pretty normal, smells pretty normal. Anyway, let's do this small batch. Alright, well it has the traditional pork skin, really crunchy taste to it. I don't really taste the Chipotle flavor whatsoever. There is a hint of honey somewhere in it, but for the most part it tastes like an average pork skin, pork cracklin, whatever you like to call it, with like a hint of honey. I mean, it's not a bad flavor. I don't mind pork skins. I'm not real crazy about them, but nothing really sticks out to this either. I'm not getting the Chipotle flavor, not even as an aftertaste. I mean, I'm now searching for it. But there is a hint of the honey flavor. So, yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. I really wanted the honey and Chipotle to be pretty strong in this, and it's not. But it doesn't taste bad. So, I can't give it a hell yeah because it doesn't have the strong honey Chipotle flavor that I was looking for. But it's not gross or anything. It's just a regular pork skin, whatever. Well, that's it for today. Just remember, whatever you do in life, keep it hardcore.